in the roof right now and I cannot find that tile. This is one chimney, and then that's the other one right there. I'm walking towards it so you guys can check. Then this right here, and then the other one is over there. So this is the closest that I think it could be, or here, that one right there. So again, not sure where it's at.